Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this in the future and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted. In this video, I will be explaining how you can make $4,000 daily on eBay. Disclaimer, when making money with eBay, make sure you read eBay's terms of service and follow it closely so you can continue making money and don't get banned from the platform. How to make money on eBay selling things you already have. eBay is one of the most popular and well-known shopping sites in the world. It's a marketplace where people can buy and sell items. eBay has been around for over 20 years and it has changed significantly over time. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of selling your stuff on eBay. Stay tuned to learn how to drop ship stuff on eBay and make up to $4,000 per month. We'll also talk about some things you need to keep in mind when you're selling on eBay. eBay is a great place to make money by selling things that you already have. It's a great way to turn your old clothes, books, and DVDs into cash, or use it as a way to buy something that you would want for less than in the store. Here's some tips for making the most of your eBay experience. Make sure you take really good pictures of what you're selling and posting on eBay. Write a good description about what you're selling and include any flaws or damages in the item. This is going to improve your listing's SEO and drive more traffic to your listing. Be clear on shipping costs and delivery times. You can offer free shipping if possible to get more people interested in buying from you. By selling items you already own, you can make up to $1,000 per month at no cost to you. So, what makes the best items to sell on eBay? Most people think that the best items to sell on eBay are ones that are rare or expensive. However, this isn't always true. The best items to sell on eBay are ones that people want to buy. In order for an item to be desirable, it needs to be useful and/or entertaining. The most successful sellers on eBay understand what motivates buyers and how they make decisions. They know what their customers want and how much they're willing to pay for it. Let's get into the 7 best tips for successfully selling items on eBay. Selling items on eBay can be a very profitable venture, but it's also a complicated process. Tip number 1. Make sure you choose the right category for your item. Tip number 2. Research prices of similar items in your category. Tip number 3. Add accurate and detailed photos of the item. Tip number 4. Include keywords that will help people find your item. Tip number 5. Create an attractive title and description for your item. Tip number 6. Be patient and wait for the right buyer to come along. They will come. Tip number 7. Follow all eBay policies to make sure you don't get banned. That is the last thing you want to happen to you. Now let's talk about how to drop ship on eBay with no experience. Dropshipping on eBay is a great way to get started with e-commerce. Dropshipping is a low-risk way to build your business and learn how to sell online. For dropshipping on eBay, you don't need any experience or inventory. All you have to do is find the right products, create listings, and then fulfill orders from the manufacturer when the orders come in. You can use the following steps to start dropshipping on your eBay store. Step number 1. Find products you want to sell by checking out the eBay listings for similar items that are already selling well. Step number 2. Create listings for these products and make sure you include all of the necessary information like product name, price, condition, shipping cost, and time frame. Step number 3. When someone buys one of your items from your eBay listing, send it directly from the manufacturer or distributor so that you won't have any extra inventory sitting around at home taking up space in your house. A couple of popular manufacturers that people use when dropshipping on eBay is Alibaba and AliExpress. The items you can find on Alibaba are around 15% of what your customer on eBay is going to pay for it. This is going to leave you with an 85% profit margin. So let's take a second to do the math. If you have 100 listings on eBay and sell 60 items per day with an average price of $65 per item, that is $4,000 per day. This is a totally reachable goal, and thousands are already doing it. In fact, many eBay sellers are selling hundreds or thousands of items from Alibaba or AliExpress that they don't have to ever touch physically. They simply order the product from Alibaba or AliExpress and ship it to the paying eBay customer. There are thousands of eBay sellers making millions from eBay and drop shipping. It's important to remember that persistence is key. This is a totally reachable goal for you if you put your mind to it. In conclusion, selling on eBay is a great way to make money from items that are either no longer being used or have been sitting in your garage for years. Selling on eBay is great for people who want to earn some side income or for those who want to supplement their regular income. In addition, dropshipping on eBay can be extremely lucrative and allow you to experience financial freedom. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified about videos like this in the future. See you next time.